2008 is a big year for Holden. Its parent company GM turns 100 this year, Holden turns 60, and Holden's longest running nameplate and biggest selling car, the Commodore, turns 30. So we thought, what better opportunity to grab two cars, an original 78 VB Commodore and a new 2008 VE Commodore, and see how far they've come along. Now, the first thing you notice is the size difference between the two cars. The VE is almost 20 centimetres longer, is 18 centimetres wider, and sits 10 centimetres taller. And that's ironic because in 1978, in the original sales brochure, Holden boasted about how compact the Commodore was on the outside. They also boasted about the Commodore being wind tunnel tested and improving its aerodynamic efficiency. And to be honest, in today's weather, I feel like I'm in a wind tunnel. Back in 1978, some of the big selling points for the Commodore was an electric aerial for the AM/FM cassette radio and remote control mirrors. Its V8 engine was wheezy at the best of times, but it still had enough grunt to stand up to the large Aussie family. Now, the 5-litre V8 in this car only produced 125 kilowatts. That's less than most modern-day 4-cylinder cars. Fast forward to 2008 and things have changed in a big way. The car's audio system can swallow up to 6 CDs, and you can even plug in a thing called an iPod these days. The car can talk to a mobile phone wirelessly through Bluetooth, while 6 airbags will protect occupants in case of a crash. And that's only if you manage to outsmart the car's electronic stability control. It's even got a priority remote system that identifies different drivers and remembers their personal settings. It's got to make you wonder, doesn't it? Where do you think the Commodore will be in 2038?